Hey guys, welcome to ZolaBlocks. In this block tutorial, we will explore the accordion block to create interactive facts in Gutenberg. Let's start. First, we will drop a container block inside the page. Let's customize the container padding so we have a nicely spaced content area to work with. Also, let's change the background color of the whole container. After that, click inside the container, type accordion in the pop-up menu, and select the block to insert it. Now this is the default appearance of the accordion block. This is not a singular block item, but a combination. You can expand on the accordion menu from the list view, thus revealing the child items. Each child accordion item is called a single accordion. Once a single item is selected, the basic tab will let you change the title of the block. You can expand the single item again, and a default paragraph block will be there. You can simply add your content inside the paragraph block. You could follow this process for all the single items until you complete the set. Remember, you can add any other block besides the paragraph block, for example, image, slider, counter, gallery, etc. That's because Accordion lets you insert and show any content you prefer. Now, select the parent container block again from the list view. You can see that the options and sections under the basic tab have some changes. While the general section lets you select the initial open item and whether you will allow multiple accordions to be opened at the same time. The title section only has a title tag changer. Then inside the accordion icon section, you can change the open and close icons. Alright, let's jump into the Style tab. Here, you can customize the appearance using various options. The first section here is for the whole accordion item. You can click on the border icon, select a solid or custom border, set a border color, and adjust the width to apply the border around the items. You can undo the changes by clicking the rewind icon there. Then you can use the border radius option to curve the edges of the item boxes. There are also padding and margin options that you can work with. Then there's a background and box shadow option right under. These options also work on the whole items. Next, the accordion head section lets you customize the header part of the accordion block. The first option is the title typography, which lets you customize the font style of the title. You will find font family, size, weight, style, transform, and many options under this menu. After that, there are border, radius, padding, and margin options. You may adjust the padding values to create an evenly spaced display for your accordions. Then at the bottom, you have title color and background color options. These two will help significantly change the appearance. The next section is the accordion icon. Here, the first option is the icon size. Lets you change the size of them as much as you want. There's also a border option that you can configure, as well as the border radius right below. With padding, you can adjust the area around the icons. Then at the bottom, find the icon color option. Also, you can configure a background color for the icons. That's the same area adjustable with the icon padding option. After the icon comes the accordion body section. This is the content body of the accordion. You can change its background color for a starter. There are a couple of options available here for customization. Then the last section under the Style tab lets you customize the appearance of the active accordion item. First is the title color. Then the accordion icon color. After that, the header background color. And lastly, the body background color. Now that we have a FAQ accordion ready, you can go ahead and add another item to try out more content within the accordion. For instance, in this one, you can show a review carousel within the accordion, like this. Here are a couple more examples that you can follow. These ready patterns are made to inspire your web page design. Feel free to refer to them. Also, They portray how many awesome creative designs you can build with the accordion block. That's all for this video. Thanks for choosing Zola Blocks. Please like and subscribe to get more blocks tutorial as soon as they are available. Stay connected with BD Themes.